Welcome to another meditation session with me, where my purpose today is to help you discover a better you in just 3 minutes. Today, we'll be focusing on healing. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes softly and take a moment to connect with your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your chest to rise, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Now let's embark on a journey of healing and restoration. Visualize a soft, soothing light at the center of your being. This light represents the healing energy that resides within you. With each breath, imagine this light expanding, filling your body with warmth and comfort. Feel the energy flowing to any areas that need healing now, be it physically, emotionally, or spiritually. As you breathe in, visualize the healing light spreading to every cell in your body, bringing a sense of renewal and vitality. As you breathe out, release any pain and discomfort, allowing it to dissolve into the gentle glow of the healing light. Now picture a serene garden in your mind. This garden is a symbol of your inner sanctuary, a place of healing and tranquility. As you walk through the garden, notice the vibrant colors, the fragrant flowers, and the peaceful surroundings. With each step that you take, feel the healing energy of the garden infusing your entire being. As we conclude this meditation, take a deep breath, absorbing the healing energy that surrounds you. Always remember, there is an unlimited flow of strength and resilience within you. And you have the power to control and to carry this healing energy with you wherever you go. Now slowly and gently open your eyes, bringing the sense of tranquility from the garden into the present moment. Thank you for joining me in this meditation for healing. May you be surrounded by peace, happiness, and wellness.